Please like and subscribe with the
not
pack.
be not
Thank
so
you.
picky. Not so picky. Domantas Sabonis. We have 15 players. This is crucial now. I love Domantas Sabonis. His double machine. But we have already have a Jokic, which I can say is way better than Sabonis. Sabonis an all-star snub at the same time. Okay, I need to pass. Big shout out to Tyler of Basketball Buds and Davis. I'll pick Anthony Davis. I need to be smart on this one. I'll maybe put Ant Davis on the center or six man. So I'll give you the final position on my lineup once I'm done with my picks. So I'll put Anthony Davis. Anthony Davis is might be inconsistent, but on his best days, he's the best player in the league. Yep. He's the best players in the league. Best two-way out there. He can shoot threes. He can defend. Um, yeah. So yeah, and they have a chemistry obviously of LeBron James, and actually it's very good. Well, Luka and Davis is trade to one another. So imagine being them in the same team. Them being the same team. Just imagine. So we have a solid five. Actually, Davis. Don't sleep on Davis. Check his career. Check his career, man. Hell of a player. Vince Williams. Can we have a double LeBron? Because that's going to be over. That's going to be OP. Overkill. LeBron. We need a six-man here, or if we can pull a better player. Kelly Olynyk. Shakam is great. Zach Edey. Tyler Smith. Isaiah Stewart. Hell yeah. So by the way, say Isaiah Stewart or not. Hell yeah. No brainer. Jalen Duren. So I'll finish it. PJ, Ben Simmons, Scotty Barnes, and Clay